Hello, today we'll be demoing the gray line auto stakeout function of Trimble Access mines. Either by using a design file or by measuring points on the job site, mines can automatically calculate and locate points along the grid line. The auto stake timer maximizes efficiency by eliminating the need for manual pointing. Save time on the job now, and also choose to save calculated points to utilize as laser line points later. In Trimble Access, click on Gray Line in the Auto Stakeout menu to access the function. Select start and end points from your design file or by measuring them in the field. Define a distance interval for your points and change your offset and extension from the original line. Choose a point naming convention. If you want to utilize these points for laser lines later, we suggest R, as well as a point code. Fine-tune your point tolerances, your EDM or your laser's pace settings, as well as whether or not to store these calculated points. Once the function starts, the surveyor will see a green laser appear where they should be marking along the mine wall, otherwise known as the mine face. According to the EDM settings, as well as the distance interval, the line will appear where and as fast as we want it to. Once completed, Access will give you a results summary, and you continue on with your survey.